This is the Lord's doing, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Psalm 118 verse 23. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today we are making this soya chunk noodles. Okay, so let's go. So in a bowl I add my water and noodles. So we're going to boil this for just 20 minutes so it doesn't become too soft. So I added some salt to taste and little oil, and at this point you can see our noodles is doing well. So we cover it for just 10 minutes and then that's it, it's ready. Okay, so with my Onga soya chunk, I soak it in water for just 5 minutes. Yes, and then we're gonna take the soya chunk from the water and then we're going to saute it. So in my skillet I add a little oil and then my Onga soya chunk. Yes, so we're going to fry this and then we add some onions, and then I'll be adding all my vegetables and my seasoning for my noodles stir fry. Noodles without veggies, dear. That one, is it a noodle? Okay, so I add my mixed veggies, my peas. You all know I love peas. Yes, so we stir, and in about 5 minutes our stir fry is ready to receive our noodles. Yes, so this is a quickie dish. Okay, so if you are hungry and you want something quickie which is healthy and delicious to go for, then this soya chunk noodles recipe of mine is what you should go for, family. Yes, so at this point I'm just gonna add my noodles to it, stir, add a little oyster sauce to it to take the taste to another level, and guys, we are done. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys, especially my returning viewers. And if you are new to my channel, thank you. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video you will be notified. Okay, I hope you love this recipe, guys. And the Onga soya bean chunk took this recipe to another level. It's a vegan dish and it can be enjoyed by both children and adults. Okay, just follow this recipe and you are gonna thank me later. Thank you guys, and see ya in our next video whilst we enjoy our soya beans chunk noodles. Bye bye.